So I slept pretty well, honestly. As you can see, I am turned around in my car. This is my rear view window because this morning it just looked so pretty. Last night it did sprinkle a little bit, but it didn't rain really hard, so I'm assuming Jordan is okay. But I am in my car and I have a big blanket and I'm a little chilly, so I'm eager to hear how Jordan slept and if she was warm or if she was cold. I'm definitely glad I did not pitch my tent because I felt very safe in my car. I felt very cozy. I felt very warm. And my kitten did so good. She used her litter box. She has a little litter box. But I just woke up and the leaves are so orange and yellow, and I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I have never seen a fall. I've never seen the leaves change colors. And so it's so beautiful to see them changing the way that they are. Jordan just hit me up. I guess she wants to go to the bathroom. Give me a second. Are you ready to go to the bathroom? Anyways, I don't think I'm going to pitch a tent just because I don't want to go through that. I don't want to pitch a tent and freeze and make Magnolia uncomfortable because I really want to get her acclimated to life on the road. I really want to get her used to car camping, camping in general. It does really well on road trips. She does really well walking in nature. She does really well in most situations so far, and I want to keep milking that, and I want to keep introducing her to new things at a slow pace. And I don't want her to hate camping because she froze one night. But also I don't like freezing at night, so I thought this was awesome. I am so cozy. I'm definitely going to be sleeping this way with my head up here. Look at my sweet baby. She came to hang out. Miss Magnolia, hi baby. She is wanting to explore. Mommy's gonna go get ready. I just folded down her backpack, which I totally forgot it could do, and that just made so much more space because she has such a big backpack. But I have my little morning self-care caddy is ready to go. We are literally only 2 campsites away from the bathroom. It didn't get too wet last night and the wood was kind of protected. We did forget to bring in the wood, but I'm hoping that it will dry out for today and we will be able to use the firewood. But taking a look up at the sky, it does look gray, and it said that on the radar originally, it did say that it was going to rain until like from last night, 2 o'clock at night, until like 12 o'clock in the afternoon this morning. But it's 7 or 8 a.m. and it's not raining, but it just looks a little gloomy. Good morning, Lilo.
I forgot my face wash.
Oh, me too.
Damn.
Gosh dang, it's in the shower.
No, mine's in the car.
Oh.
But I have this face remover.
Okay.
I'm gonna use that.
It works too. It's like a cleanser. All right, I'm gonna go potty. Drying off our little toaster. We're going to get some water So currently I'm going to refill these foldable water jugs. Shout out mom and dad. Thank you for these jugs. This is what they fold up like whenever they're empty or you want to store them away or you don't need them. And this campsite has tons of faucets to where you can refill water. So I haven't been too scarce on, how much water we use because we have an abundance of water. Okay, but look at how gorgeous this is. I definitely want to put on my hiking boots and hike around. You're just a little scared? You got this. Okay, so right here is a super convenient water machine. So I'm just going to fill up these jugs and have some fresh water for us. What? Everybody go to the bathroom? Yeah, I guess we have to go to the bathroom. So the water didn't work at the little water station that they have. As you can see, that is our campsite right there, and there is a bathroom right next to where we are, and there's a water fountain and there's a faucet. So I'm hoping that I can get some water in here. So the water outside did not work, and so I'm in the dishwashing station and I will be filling up the water in here. All right, we got our waters. Let's head back to the campsite. So we have chamomile tea. I have blueberry and cream oatmeal for breakfast. I gotta make an oven mitt for this because this does get a little hot.
Korean water, do you put in there? I didn't even think about that.
You can add another bag. There'll be a lot more oatmeal. Or let it sit and then it'll like absorb. I only put a little bit and mine's already starting to fluff up. She also made herself a tuna Sammy. Little Sammy. Yummy.
I need that protein in my life.
I'm definitely going to toast myself some bread and make myself a tuna sandwich before we go, but I just want some oatmeal for now. It's kind of slippery. I'm glad I have hiking boots on, but you have like tough boots on. We just parked and barely walked, and this is the view so far. Jordan! Oh, I cannot go this way. That was such an incredibly easy hike. It was so short and you're already here. So if you're in the area of Pennsylvania and the Ohiopyle forest, please come to Cucumber Falls. I promise you, it was so worth it. Now I'm gonna travel to where Jordan is, hang out there. We came and I'm standing behind a waterfall. Okay, so this was marked as a hard path, and that is why. Not that it's hard, but it's not easy. It's not like a graceful little walk. It is slippery, but I'm looking at a really pretty scene right now. Let me show you. Okay. Ooh. Lilo has fallen in twice now. Yeah. Well, at least you're clean. You're just wet. Okay, we have safely made it up the hill. I was just telling that we've made it up the trek. We got a little bit of trash. Leave it better than you found it. Now we're gonna head back and make some sandwiches. Alright guys, thank you so much for coming with us. We're gonna eat our tuna sandwiches and our hot Cheetos with our beautiful entourage of Magnolia and Lilo. What would you rate the hike and the trail walk? Would you recommend it to people?
I mean, it's a little hard. Like, it's a little... I'm gonna climb a lot.
Mm-hmm. Make sure you wear your hiking shoes.
Slash water shoes.
Yeah, try and make them as waterproof as possible. Other than that, to get to the waterfall itself, it's literally the parking lot we're at, and it's right down, like, it's really short. It's super easy to get to the waterfall, but to get to where we were, to get to the last place that we were at, you are definitely going to need some hiking shoes, and it's gonna...
Basically, the waterfall is, like, super close to the trailhead. But then when you keep hiking back, like towards on the actual trail, it's just a little difficult and you have to climb a lot. Mm-hmm. And it's slippery if it's raining or wet out.
And it was raining today. It rained last night and it rained a little bit this morning, but that was awesome because it was raining, there was absolutely no people there when we first got there. And so we came here, and whenever we got here, there was only one car here, and it was still kind of raining. And
that car was leaving too when we got here.
Yeah, it was like raining, and so that car got in and left, and we were the only car here. Now there's like
a dozen.
Yeah, like maybe like 10 or 12 cars here now, and a bunch of people on the trail. But luckily we came right while it was still kind of raining and there were no people.
So we get to just play like a big playground and nobody was there. Nilo got to be off her leash and
pulled over to this little town of Ohiopyle, and we took a stop at this really pretty area. We picked up some chili for dinner. We got ourselves a little bit of coffee from one of the cute coffee shops. And we also stopped at a gift shop, got ourselves some chocolates, some yummy, delicious sweets for tonight to snack in the car. And we also got ourselves some stickers. And this is the view that I'm looking at right now. We have some rafters in the water. There's tons of rapids over here and rocks. There's also this bridge that you can park at. You can park over here. Underneath, you can see another little blue and white bridge. We were underneath there, and people were walking across there to get to the other side of the rapids and to walk down it. So these are two people on a rapids. Maybe I should put the drone up. Tonight's meal is some chili and some toast. We already have the fire going, the car's all situated. Jordan is actually going to be sleeping in her car tonight, so she's taking down her tent. I have changed and I am in clean, dry clothing. Nino is ready for her meal too. I have one of my toasts for peanut butter and one for the chili. I think Jordan's doing the same.
yeah. Peanut butter and jelly, that one for jelly on it.
Yum. Who needs to do dishes when you have a pup around? We just finished our dinner and we have a fire going, and I'm not sure what the rules are in leaving your fire alone, and it's just literally 2 campsites away. So I was like, I'll just go wash the dishes and you stay and watch the fire. So I'm on my way to clean our dirty dishes from the night. So dishes are done, the campsite is cleaned up. Now Jordan and I just get to enjoy the rest of the night at the campsite and crawl into bed right as the sun goes down. Good morning. It is day 2, or what is it? What is today? So it is post second night of car camping. Oh, come on, baby. Okay, you're okay. We just spent the night in the car. Last night it got so cold. It is currently 39 degrees outside, and I'm a Florida girl at my core, so this is really cold for me. I'm going to sit here with this heat on and just relax for a little bit. I may crawl back in the back and sleep for another hour or so once I heat up the car. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me on my very first car camping adventure. And it was also Magnolia's very first car camping adventure. Hey, hey, hey. Hi, baby. Yes, this is where I'm going to end the car camping video. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so grateful, and I hope you enjoyed it too. If you have any questions about car camping or about what I did or where we went or any tips or tricks, I am so open to the tips and tricks on how to stay warm because I was struggling with how cold I was until I turned on my car. So yeah, please drop all of your tips, more experienced car campers and car livers. I would be so grateful for that and appreciative. So yeah, thank you again, and I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.
Did you have a good night? You coming out here to watch me edit? I came back here and she crawled back from the dash. She was like, what are you doing? You're such a good baby. Leave your fuzzy tail.
Little kitty cat trying to escape.
Perfect freaking timing. Look at that. Teeth brushed, and I'm hoping that she's ready to pack up her tent and head out. Oh, hi, Magnolia.
Wood could woodchuck chuck could chuck wood.
And then look at how they get the money.
Yeah, no fun.
Cute. What if I need cash back?
No cash back. Tip for you.
Tip for you. So this is our little sanctuary. This is where we hung out because this is the only spot that we had Wi-Fi or service. So every night we would call our loved ones. Let them know that we're alive. Ugh. Nothing but spiders.
Yep.
All right, let's go home, or home for 2 more days. I'm so excited. Lilo, are you ready to go home? Are you ready? Are you ready to go home?